Dear students, how are you? Today I have come again. I think all of you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today our lesson is the greed of the mighty rivers. By reading these passages, you will be able to learn that every year thousands of people become homeless by river erosion. At present in Bangladesh, river erosion has become a great problem. If you read newspaper regularly or watch television, you can see that many people have been homeless this year by river erosion. Now I am going to read out the passage. Please open page number 56 and listen to me carefully. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Her polythene roof shelter looks like a cage. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some fallen leaves and straw to the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing flames remind Meherjan of the turmoil in her life. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything: a family, cultivable land and cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her landed property. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour Meher's house, trees, vegetables, garden and the bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to diseases that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. There are thousands others waiting to share the same fate like Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of rivers, some of whose banks overflow or erode during monsoon. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river banks. During each monsoon, many more villages are threatened by the mighty rivers like the Jamuna, the Padma and the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by climate change. If we can't take prompt action to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more Meherjans in our towns and villages every year. I think all of you have listened. Now I am going to write down some words and their synonyms. So dear students, look at the blackboard. Here I have written some words and their synonyms. At first I have written protection. Protection means to protect anything. Its synonym is defend. Prompt. To do something quickly. Quick. Embankment. To save something from the flood or water. It is called embankment. Dam. Tremble. Tremble means shivering. Quiver. Turmoil. Chaos. Turmoil, disturbance. Chaos. Threaten. Intimidate. Threatens, intimidate. Whisper. Murmur. Unsteady. Shaky. Flame. Brightness. Remind. Call up. Consume. To use something. It is called consume. Consume, use up. Claim, demand. Play it down in your exercise book. Dear students, please open page number 57. Look at the textbook. For each phrase, below choose the meaning that is closest to the meaning used in the text above. In paragraph 3, mighty river means rivers that have huge volumes of water and very strong currents. B, rivers having many rowing boats in them. C, rivers that make people cry out. D, rivers that have strong banks. Its correct answer is A, rivers that have huge volumes of water and very strong currents. Landed property means a rented pitch of land. A pitch of land on the bank of a river. Property in the form of a source of income to its owner. Property used only as an agricultural farm. Its correct answer is C. Property in the form of source of income to its owner. Question number 3. Whispering wind. Wind that blows from across the river. Wind that blows with a hissing sound. Wind that helps someone make a fire. Wind that blows in summer. Its correct answer is wind that blows with a hissing sound. Dancing flames. Dancing flames means a traditional form of folk dance. Flames that make people dance around them. Flames that are made unstable by the blast of air. Flames made by people to remember their past. Flames that are made unstable by the blast of air. C. Dear students, now I am going to write down some questions and their answers in the blackboard. Dear students, look at the blackboard. Here I have written some questions and its answer. What does Meherjan use to make fire for cooking her meal? Answer. Meherjan uses fallen leaves and straw to make fire for cooking her meals. Question number B. What property did Meherjan lose due to river erosion? Meherjan lost her cultivable land, cattle, trees, house, vegetable garden, and the bamboo bush due to river erosion. What do you know about Meherjan's family? Meherjan had a happy family once. She lost her husband and family due to diseases. In which season does river erosion most likely occur? River erosion most likely occurs in the monsoon season. Dear students, your homework, summary of the passage. I also thank you again. Goodbye.